Welcome back everybody, this is Ernest with UpFix, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to test and troubleshoot fuses, so let's get started. Alright, so your fuse box under the hood might be located in different areas. On this vehicle it's on the driver's side near the battery. There's also usually a secondary fuse location in the vehicle, sometimes even in the trunk, and they control different functions. Most of the times the fuses in the vehicle are for a lot of the interior lights, dashboard, cigarette lighter, etc. A lot of this is for the engine control functions. And I'm going to be showing you this cover right here. You got to remove it, and it stays in different clips. And this fuse junction box also has the relays for different controls of the vehicle. And on the multimeter, we're going to go to the continuity test. And if there's usually a specialty tool that you can also use to check the fuses, but you can also use a multimeter. And if you have the fine probe leads like these, you can just simply put them in there. Make sure they're not blown. Just go through each one by one. And on these fuse junction boxes in the front, if you notice any kind of green or white residue, I highly recommend you pick up an electronic cleaner and just spray it. It's safe, it evaporates fairly quickly, and just make sure that there's no bad connections. And it's as simple as spraying it and making sure that all of that green goo is gone. You can also use a toothbrush or some kind of brush to make sure if there's any kind of water that got in there that will affect it, because the fuses might be good, the relays might be good, but if it's got corrosion settling in on the pins, that could be causing an intermittent connection issue. So make sure to check that. That's as simple as how to check the fuses and making sure it's nice and clean.